Good morning, students. This is for class 5th. Class 5th. Now I am going to take your test till the exercise I had taught you. So, class 5th, this test is of 20 marks, and these are 5 questions. These you have to solve, and the answers of this question I will give you in next video. So, first question is find the greatest 4-digit number that is divisible by 5. Second, simplify. You have to simplify this. Then third, the product of the two number is this. If one of them is 560, find the other. Then fourth, find. You have to solve this. Then fifth one is divide. You have to divide this. These are the 5 questions. You have to do it sincerely without seeing your book or notebook. And in next video, I will give you the answers of these questions. Now, coming on to exercise. Exercise first C. See, all these things you have to do in fair notebook only. Now exercise first C. This you can fill in the book only. Fill in 10 mm. 10 mm is equal to how many centimeter? You had learned earlier this 10 mm is 1 centimeter. So 1 will come here. Then 100 centimeter, how many meter? 1 meter. You had learned this earlier also. Then 10 kilometer is equal to dash into 1000 meter. So here 10 will come. Like this you have to solve this. Fill it in the book only. Then next question, question second. Change 6 hours 20 minutes into minutes. This, see, second question A part. 6 hours 20 minutes into minutes. You have to convert this in minute. This portion is already in minute. This you have to change. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we will multiply 6 by 60. 360 minutes. This is also minute. This is also minute. Plus both these. 360 plus 20. 380 minutes. Like this you have to change. So like this, see second part, this you have to change in hours. This is 8 hours. This is already in hour, no need to change. Change this 3 days. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So multiply this by 20, you will get hours. That the answer you will get 8 add 8. Final answer you will get. Like this you have to change this. Clear? Now coming on to third question, this is true false. A part 81 centimeter is equal to 8 meter 1 centimeter. Is it true? No, here 80 meter should come. So this is false. First one is false. Then 3 centimeter 8 meter 38. Then it is true. 3 centimeter means 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter plus 8, 38 millimeter. So this answer is correct. So this is true. Now change this also. This can be converted into this. So this is true. Like this you have to see the answer. If it is true, put true. Then if it is false, put false. Like this you have to do this. Now coming to next question. Question 4. Do these sums. You have to simple add this. You had done in class 4th also, I think. See, question 4, A part. See here, two things are there, centimeter and millimeter. So put 2 columns, centimeter and millimeter. Now 4 centimeter, 1 millimeter. So 4 centimeter, 1 millimeter. Then 15 centimeter, 2 millimeter. Then 26 centimeter, 3 millimeter. Then add this 6. See, this is the answer. 45 centimeter, 6 millimeter. this. Like this you have to simple add this by making column. Clear? So this is the fourth question. Then fifth question, again this is same as fourth. You have to made two columns. See here gram is not there, so put gram 0. Then made two columns here and add as you had added in question 4. Now sixth question, this is of minus. See, this is subtraction. Similarly, you have to do this. 6a, made two column, centimeter and millimeter. Then 5 centimeter, 9 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 7 millimeter. Minus it, 2, 4. So, the answer is 4 centimeter and 2 millimeter. This is your answer. Clear? Now coming on to next, seventh question. These are simple multiply. You can do it by your own. This is simple multiply. Then eighth question. This is simple divide. See, 8th A. You have to divide 6 by 300. This is centimeter and 6. This is millimeter. So how you will divide? 6 5s are 30. 0 will come here. So 50 centimeter. Then 6 1s are 6. This is also. Then 1 millimeter. Like this. This is your answer. Like this you have to divide and solve. Clear? Now coming on to next exercise. Exercise first D. Now exercise first D, question number 1. A closed shape made with the line segment is called, closed shape made by the line segment is called polygon. Polygon, polygon. Then a polygon with 4 sides. 4 sides is quadrilateral. 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 Then a line segment joining 2 points on a circle is called chord. CHORD. Then a line segment from the center of the circle to a point on the circle is called radius. 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 Then diameter of a circle is twice the radius. 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 Then the entire dash of a circle is called its circumference. Entire length. LENGTH. Entire length. Now question second. Draw a line segment of length 6.3. See, you have to draw it in your fair notebook. Take a scale, see where it is 6.3. After 6, 3 small lines will be there. Count till there, then mark in your book like this, in your notebook, and draw line like this. This will be 6.3. Like this you have to draw. This is question 2A. Clear? Then draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Mark from, take compass, put your pencil and mark from scale 5 centimeter. Then draw a line of 5 centimeter with scale 5 centimeter. Okay, put your compass here and draw a circle like this by touching this line like this. Like this you have to draw a circle that will be straightly drawn. This is not straight, this is some roughly I had drawn, but if you will put here, then complete circle will be drawn. Now third question, find the perimeter and area of rectangle of sides this. See perimeter and area of rectangle. See question third. See length is 5, breadth is question third A part, breadth is 9. Now you have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula? 2 into L plus B. Then 2 into what is L? 5 plus 9. Then 2 into 14. Then 28 centimeter. This is the perimeter. Now area. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula L into B. Then 5 into 9. 5 9s are 45. 45 centimeter square. This is your area. By using these two formulae, you can easily calculate the perimeter and rectangle. These formulae you have to learn. These formulae you have to learn. By using this formula, you can easily find out the perimeter and area of the rectangle. Is this clear? Remaining parts you can do it by your own. Now, fourth question. Find the perimeter and area of square. Now for square, question 4 A part. How will you find perimeter of square? The formula is 4 into side. Side is given 9. So 4 into 9. 36 mm. This is the answer. This is how you have to calculate. Then area of square, formula is side into side. Side is 9. 9 into 9. 81 mm square. This is how you have to find out the perimeter of square. You have to learn this formula. Then area of square, you have to learn this formula. And then putting the values in this formula, you can easily find out the perimeter of square and area of square. This is how you have to do the sums. Clear? Now coming on to fifth question. See the remaining parts you have to do in fair notebook. This is your homework. Now a family bought a plot of land of length 30 meter and breadth 20 meter. They built a rectangular house in one corner as shown and made a garden in the remaining part. What is the area of the garden? See like this they had drawn here house, then the remaining part garden. So you have to find out the area of garden. So first you have to find out the length and breadth of the garden. See from here till here the garden is there. So the length is 30 meter. So length is 30 meter. Then see from here and here the garden is there like this. So breadth is 12. Breadth is 12. Then area. Area of garden is equal to L into B. 30 into 12. 360 meter square. This is the answer. Clear? Like this you have to solve. Question number 6. This you can fill in your book only. See, one circle is equal to 12 book. Then fairy tales. Then what he is asking, how many dictionary did the shop sell? So dictionary is this. Then one circle is of 12 books. Then half circle 6 and quarter circle 3. Like this. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 circles means like this. 12 plus 12 plus 12. Then this is quarter. Quarter is 3. 3. Then 39. 39 are there. This is the answer. This is how you have to solve. Clear? Similarly, which kind of book sold the most? Most is means the number of books that had sold more. So this is fairy tales. In this only more number are coming. So answer is fairy tales. FAIRYTALES. This is the answer. Then which book sold more, comic or book on craft? How much more? So comic is 12 plus 3, like this. Comic 12 plus 3, 15. Then craft 12 plus 9, 21. So which is more? Craft. So put like this tick, craft. Craft is more. By how much? Then you have to minus this. 21 minus 15, 6. This is the answer. Is this clear? Like this you have to solve. So today I had completed your first chapters, and the test that I had given you have to do this sincerely in your fair notebook, and in next video I will give you the answers so that you can match by your own and check yourself how much you are doing your maths work. Then from next chapter I will explain you in next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.